Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I teach you addition of vectors. Before teaching, I am interested to tell you, if you like my video and my teaching, please subscribe my channel. Now I teach you addition of vectors. This chapter I will teach 2 days. So addition of vectors class 1. Today I teach what is scalars and vectors. What is scalars? The quantity which have only magnitude but not any direction. Okay, any direction to the space is called, not any direction in the space, only have magnitude is called scalars, and having direction also is called vectors. Okay, now representation and notation of vector, that is AB. So here A is the initial point or origin and B is the terminus point, AB, or bold small a. In this way you can write the representation, you can represent a vector. Like and unlike vector, the vectors are said to be like when they have same sense of direction. Okay, and unlike their opposite sense of direction. Same sense of direction is called like vector and opposite sense of direction is unlike vector. Okay, and collinear or parallel vector, two vectors are said to be collinear when they act the same line, when they act in the same line or parallel line. When two vectors act in same line or parallel line, they are collinear. Okay, two or more vectors. Coplanar vectors, when a vector is parallel to a plane or in the plane, is called the coplanar vector. Okay, two or three vectors said to be coplanar if the line lie in the same plane or parallel to the plane, whatever they are having magnitude, if they lie in the same plane or parallel to the plane. Equal vector, two vectors are said to be equal if magnitude is same and direction are same sense of direction. So two vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have equal length and are parallel, having same sense of direction, Zero vector, if the origin and terminus point coincides. Okay, then that is zero vectors. If origin and terminus points coincide, its magnitude is 0 and the direction is indeterminate. You cannot define its direction, indeterminate. This type of vectors are zero vectors. Unit vector, a vector whose magnitude is unit length. This type of vector. Magnitude is vector by vector's magnitude. So this type of vector is unit vector. Position vector, if O is the initial point and P is the vector, any terminus point, then OP is the position vector. O is the fixed point and P be any point, then we write OP bar, OP, then it is called the position vector, or O is its origin. Okay, a scalar multiple, if you multiply with a scalar k, that is a scalar multiple k, and its direction is same to a when k is positive, and its direction is opposite to a when k is negative. K is a scalar multiple of vector whose direction along a or opposite according to k is positive or negative. Negative vector, a vector is negative minus a. The negative vector of a is minus a. Okay. Co-initial vectors, all vectors which have same initial point is co-initial vectors. Okay. And localized and free vectors. Let a vector a be, if the vector is drawn parallel to this AB with a specified point, then that is localized vector. If the point is not defined, then that is free vector. Okay. And how you add the vector, that is a vector, that is b vector. What is AB? Draw this is a parallelogram, so this is vector b, so AB equal to a plus b, that is AB. Okay. And express as position vector, express in term of position vector BA, then position vector of A minus position vector of B, that is BA. Okay. And how sum of the number of vectors, that is A, that is B, that is C, that is D, that is E, that is F. So A plus B plus C plus E plus F equal to OA plus AB plus BC plus CD plus D plus EF. That is the sum of vectors. Okay. And the linear combination of vectors, if all are scalar x, y, z, then R x a y b z c dot dot dot, that is linear combination of vector. Relation of two collinear vector R equal to x into a, x is a scalar, and linear independent and linear dependent. If lambda 1 lambda 2 and lambda n are not all 0, then the sum of is called linear dependent. If lambda 1 a1 lambda 2 all equal to 0, but this lambda 1 lambda 2 dot lambda n equal to 0, that is linear independent vector. I take next class of addition vector. This is class number 1. Okay, class number 1. Thank you so much.